This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Powell. Custom-built brick home is located in the resort-style golf community of Cypress Creek, with a highly sought-after layout. This very functioning open floor plan includes plenty of space for the whole family. The master ensuite with adjoining flex room is great for home office or personal gym. 2 additional first-floor bedrooms with full bath and oversized bedroom with full bath on the second level. 2-car attached garage and 2-car brick detached garage with dedicated electrical panel. Screen porch overlooking private backyard. Cypress Creek homeowners enjoy a beautifully maintained community clubhouse, pool, tennis court and playground. HVAC system replaced 2017, hot water heater 2019.